Good day everyone, Complaining Gamer here. Here we are again with an old friend in The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, a game which will undoubtedly keep popping up its head again and again, highlighting the immortality of the Zelda franchise. This time because of a mod. Take a close look at the screen and see if you can notice anything slightly interesting. I'll give you a moment. Did you find it? Well, in the bottom right corner, you may have noticed that the weather indicator just shows a row of full suns. With the help of a weather mod, we can permanently eliminate days which are rainy, overcast, dark, dull, and substitute the daytime to be full of sunshine and partial cloud. The day-night cycle still occurs, but the weather will not change. This mod is brought to us courtesy of Zeikken. The effect on night is just as appealing, with a clear sky opening up outer space and giving the stars bright prominence. Naturally, this isn't for everyone, and some of you will find umbrage with taking away a game design aspect, but if you've had enough of dark, dull days, you can now do something about it. This mod is for Wii U and the Cemu emulator on PC. Let me show you how to install it if you're a Cemu user. If you've never installed a mod before, it's very easy to do. We're going to overwrite game files in your Cemu updates folder. These changes can be undone by backing up the original file, which is highly recommended. The file paths needed are on screen and will be linked below for easy access. Download the mod file and copy it over to the desired destination. Once the original file has been substituted, that's it, you're done. Load up the game and enjoy constant clear weather. If you experience any issues, just go back and replace the copied file with your backup. As someone who has spent a lot of time in the world of Hyrule, I can tell you that you may have missed many opportunities to experience how incredibly stunning it can look when lit correctly by the sun. Creator of the mod Zeikken also gives you the chance to experience the world in a constant storm for those of you who are absolute psychopaths. If you're curious as to my setup here for Breath of the Wild, I'm using a 1080p graphic pack along with the Bruz preset for clarity and a 30 FPS lock. Leave your ideas, thoughts and comments down below. If you want to keep up to date with all things Complaining Gamer, come follow me on Twitter or join the community Discord. All links are provided. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. If you didn't, dislike and comment. And to know the latest Cemu info, subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'll catch you in the next one.